In this video, I will show you how I do the titles and tags for my designs with different products on Zazzle and Redbubble to get sales. Welcome to Financial Freedom Style, it's Trevor. Since Zazzle and Redbubble are the two platforms I have had the most success with my print-on-demand businesses so far, I want to share with you what I would usually do to the title and tag section today. I randomly selected two existing designs and products from other creators on Zazzle for today's demonstration. If you actually like them and want to buy them, I will put their links in the description for you. But for now, let's pretend that they are my designs, and I will work on the titles and tags for each of them one by one, on Zazzle first, then Redbubble. So here's the first one. It's a design in the cat niche. You can see a drawing of a cat wearing sunglasses, and it reads "Real Men Love Cats" on a black t-shirt. When a design involves some sort of sayings, it's always a good idea to check and see if there's any trademark associated with them. I like to use tmhunts.com because it's simple to use. It looks into the data of the official USPTO website, which is the US Patent and Trademark Office. So you know the search results are legit and can be trusted. Let's type in the words and hit the search button. It turns out the phrase is on file, but the status is shown as dead, which means it is okay to use. You can click on the serial number to see more information from the USPTO website if you like. The trademark is checked, so let's work on the title section on Zazzle. The character limit is 50 including spaces, so you have to try your best to describe your design with the most effective keywords possible. The best ones to start will be just by breaking down what you see on your design. You see a cat drawing, you see sunglasses, and you see the text. So I will put those in first. Look at the text we have now to see which are the ones not as important for people to type and search for this design online. We have cat and cats. That's kind of repeating, but we know we need to keep cats because it is part of the wordings in the design. So we can remove the word cat. And we can likely remove the word drawing as well because it's simply not needed for this design. Now let's rearrange the text so it's easy to read and understand what the design is about. For this design, "Real Men Love Cats" is the highlight, so it really should be in the front. So we will move sunglasses behind it. Now let's add some more useful keywords to the title. The design is meant to be funny, right? So I would add funny to the title. And the sunglasses the cat is wearing seems to be an aviation sunglasses, so I would add aviation to the title as well. I think it's looking pretty good. Zazzle will actually auto-fill the product types for you. All you need to do is click outside the title box, and you will see the product type for t-shirt is added at the end of the title. So what else can I do for the title? This is a t-shirt design. I will use Google Trends to see which are the most popular search terms for t-shirts. This search result is for the United States in the past 12 months. And if you scroll down, you see rising, and these are the trending search terms. What you want to do is click on drop down and select top. Now we can see the most popular search terms for t-shirts on Google. And you see black t-shirt is actually ranked number 4. On Zazzle, even though your customer can choose different color for your designs themselves, when you publish your design, you only get to choose one color at a time for your listing. So instead of funny t-shirt, perhaps it's even better if it says black t-shirt instead. So I will click on edit and simply add black after funny. Then click outside the title box. Just like that, I believe it becomes an even stronger title already. That's good enough for describing this design in the title section. Other important keywords that you can't seem to fit in the title nicely can go to the text section. In the text section, you have 10 slots available, and I recommend using all 10 as much as possible to increase the chances for your products to get discovered. It is a good idea to include the keywords that are in the title, so I will start with those. I want real man as one tag, so I will have to use double quote to link them together. And for single word tags, I will just separate them with comma and space. At this point, I will think about what other possible keywords the customers will use to look for this kind of designs. A drawing of a cat, people will likely use kitty or kitten or cute and funny. 2 more slots and I will just fill them up with aviation and black. Be mindful with using your tags on Zazzle because they are strict about this. That's why you see tips for tagging's reminder always on the side. So whenever you're in doubt, I highly recommend that you review the tagging page in the Zazzle Help Center. I will put the link in the description for your convenience. Now let's work on the Redbubble side for this design. But first, I just want to make sure you understand this. If you decide to sell the same designs on Redbubble and Zazzle, which are 2 different print-on-demand platforms, your store name should be the same on both websites. It's kind of like you open a brand store in 2 different shopping malls, if that makes sense. So when that's the case, you want the title to stay the same as much as possible, not only for consistency, but also not to confuse yourself as well as your customers who might shop from you on both websites. Because of that, you want to copy and paste the title you came up with on Zazzle onto Redbubble. Except one thing for you to reconsider. It is the keyword for the product color. And that's because in the Redbubble space, a single design can apply to multiple products all at once. But not all product has the same color options available, such as water bottles and cotton tote bags. Unless you decide to disable all the products that does not have the color options available, then it should be okay for you to keep that keyword in. It is your choice. Personally, I will take it off because I like to put my design on as many products as possible on Redbubble for sale. So this is all I need to put in the title section for this design. Similar to Zazzle, Redbubble will auto-fill the product types for you. You just won't see it here. But once your design is published, your products will read funny t-shirt, funny iPhone case, funny pillow, etc. Redbubble tends to be more popular as a print-on-demand site on social media over the years, and that attracted programmers to build some very useful tools for Redbubble sellers that helps the tagging process. I use the Redbubble popular tag site, which is free. It is a tag generator that pulls data from the Redbubble website. What I would do is type in the main keywords for the design, which is real man love cats. Then hit search. This tool just generated the most popular tags for these main keywords. You can simply hit copy tags, and all the tags are copied. Then you will paste the tags in the tag section on Redbubble. What you want to do now is scan through all the tags just to make sure nothing trademarked is in there. If there's any, just simply remove them. Looks like these are all good, so I'm keeping all of them. Redbubble let you use a lot more tags than on Zazzle, but I would still limit my tags to around 15 to 20. One more thing I like to do in the tag section on Redbubble is to add my store name in it, because it is beneficial from my experience. Let's pretend my store name is FFS Design. I will just type that in. Once you start doing that to every design of yours, your store name will become more searchable on the platform. Now it's time to work on the second one. It's a design in the dot niche, and this is a mouse pad. This design is all graphics with no text element in it. So the best way to start is by identifying a few things that stands out to you the most about this design. I see dog, and it is a Shiba Inu. I see paws, and I see patterns. So I put those words in first. I want to look up the word paws on Google Trends, and it shows dog paws is ranked number 1 in the US in the past 12 months. So I rearranged the words in the title. Sometimes I want to do more in-depth research, and one of the helpful tools I use is Merch Informer's Keyword Finder. It is under Keyword Research in the menu. You can search your keywords on different platforms, but for this quick demonstration, I'm choosing Amazon US. I will type in the keyword paws, and I will hit the search button. It will show you the search results with detailed numbers. You get to see the numbers of search volumes on Amazon and Redbubble, which are the 2 biggest websites in the world. And you get to see the cost for each keyword or phrases if you plan to run ads for your print-on-demand business. You can also see the competition level at a glance, which can be very useful. You can get 30 days free membership by using my referral link. You can find it in the description. So feel free to just try it out yourself and see if this is useful for you as well. I believe the title is already good. It is easy to read and understand. I just want to add the word cute at the end to finish it off. In the text section, I will add all the keywords that are in the title first. And I will think of other related words people may use to look for this design, such as puppy, Japan, prints, Asian, and hat. And it is done. On the Redbubble side, the title will be exactly the same. I will use the Redbubble popular tag site again for the best tags. Copy, paste them in the tag section on Redbubble, and final step, add my store name in it, and it's done. So these are the ways I have been doing most of the time to come up with the titles and tags for my designs and different products on Zazzle and Redbubble. Some other times, I like to do deeper research using tools like Merch Informer just to learn more and try to get better results. What do you think? And how have you been doing the titles and tags for your designs? Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts. Both Redbubble and Zazzle are continuously changing and improving their platforms, so my strategy may as well change accordingly in the future, and I will let you know about it. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and I appreciate it. Also subscribe and turn on the bell so you'll be notified when there's new updates on this channel. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.